What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're actually going to be installing the ECS tuning strut tower bar. So we'll go ahead and we've already started. We kind of forgot to record, so we've already got the these plastic covers pulled up here. So now we're just kind of trying to see how we can fit it in there. This is the bar here. We'll figure it out, and you guys stay tuned. So today we're getting help from the man, from Mr. Blake, aka Easy. So basically, trying to figure out how to get the actual bar on there because there's a few things blocking it. So we think we may have to take off like the factory strut bar. So we'll have to figure out how we can get this little pack off. Let me give you a better shot of that. So basically, I don't know if you can see it, but that thing with the plus on it, we basically have to see if we can get that off so we can mount it to the new strut tower bar. That way we can take off the old one and it'll be more sturdy, a little bit of performance gains, all that fun stuff. So there's a small cap that you have to remove in order to get access to that bolt holding in the that little pack that I showed you. So you can kind of just give it a little bit of pressure and it'll come right off. So basically, up under, you can't really see it, but up under this this little rubber gasket right here, you had to pull it out. So this is kind of tucked up under that rubber gasket thing, so kind of got to wiggle it out of there. It takes a little bit of finagling, but we ended up getting it out. So on the new one, it comes with its own mount, so you don't need any of this. Basically, screw the mount into there, and then you plug and play. Everything goes back in the same way it came out. So basically just line the 3 screws up, get the mounting bracket, and screw it in there. Got it all screwed on there, so now we're gonna try to see if we can get a stab back in there, and I'll show you how it's looking, if we can get a good shot of it. Woo! Money. So that took some trial and error, but we ended up getting it on there. So now we've just gotta, I think we may have to screw these back in, if we can. I don't know if it's gonna allow us to. So So with this strut tower bar, they actually provide hardware, so we've got some brand new ones to go on there. Just finished it up. Show you the finished product. Basically, it's just this this bar right here. Can't really see it; it's so dark in there, but got the old ECS logo right there, if you can see it. All right, yeah, there she goes. She's on there. Should stiffen her up a little bit. Need to clean her off though. This engine bay is pretty dirty, but that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I think I may just give you a quick little engine bay cleaning. I don't even know what to call it. Engine bay cleaning show. And then we'll wrap up this video. So stay tuned and you can check that out. Engine bay's a little dusty, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it cleaned up a little bit, and I'll show you what she's looking like once I'm done. All right, guys, just finished it up. Looks a lot better. Definitely needed to be cleaned. A lot of dust and dirt up in there. Definitely appreciate my guy here. I'll link his stuff down in the description. You can see his content, the good old Audi R8. So I think that's all I got for you. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Definitely have something nice for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.